The letter and the dream. It's at the village bus stop, early morning. The air is still. The only sounds are distant roosters and soft voices preparing for the day's journey. At the village's only bus stop, Mazwake and Zolile stand slightly apart from the others, their hands entwined, fingers nervous and trembling. Zolile's eyes rarely meet his. She looks down often, a mix of sadness, shyness, and something too big for her teenage heart to name. Mazwake gently places one of his bags down, bends and pulls out a folded letter. He slips it softly into the back pocket of her skirt. This is my last letter, at least before I leave. I poured my whole heart into it, Zolile. Read it when you miss me. Feed on it. Let my words give you strength on the days you need to be brave without me. Zolile places a hand over the letter, nodding, voice too fragile to speak. She promises silently with her eyes. Thank you for all the 3 years. I know we started off young, too young maybe, trying to carry a love meant for elders and for older hearts. But I believe in us. There's a love inside us that's big enough to wait, to grow, and to become something beautiful. Zolile finally meets his eyes. She nods again, tears now visible, and her whole body trembles. Her breath is shallow, her voice barely above a whisper. I love you too, Mazwake, and I'll wait for all of it. Mazwake exhales slowly. I'm scared. Not of you, not of us, just of the road ahead, the world I do not know. Pray for me, Zolile. Wherever I go, carry me in your prayers. Zolile closes her eyes. In her mind, she sees it. The winding roads, the cliffs, the bus turning around sharp bends surrounded by rivers and valleys. She's never even been to Eshowe, let alone Durban. Suddenly, a loud rumble breaks the moment. The bus arrives. Zolile gasps and, almost without thinking, throws her arms around him. She clings tightly, sobbing. Her heart cracks wide open. Mazwake doesn't speak. He simply kisses her forehead, picks up his bags, and begins walking towards the bus. The driver and passengers are waiting. Zolile watches through tears as he boards and walks to the back, placing his hand gentle on the glass to wave goodbye. The bus pulls away slowly, leaving a long, ghostly trail of dust behind. As the bus disappears around the bend, Zolile imagines it struggling to make a sharp turn. The wheels slip, screams rise. The bus starts to roll. Once, twice, bodies flung from windows, dust and terror spinning in the air. Zolile runs, screaming for help, desperate, barefoot in the middle of the road. Then headlights. A car she never saw coming. Ow! Screaming. She jerks awake, drenched in sweat. Her mother stands nearby, startled. Zolile, what is it? She wakes up quickly. It's nothing, Mama. She throws on her skirt, doesn't even fix her hair, and bolts out of the hut. Zolile runs with everything in her, past Mazwake's homestead. It's empty. She figures they have already left. She keeps running. Ahead, she hears the faint hum of the bus, then its final engine roar as it arrives away. She arrives just in time to see the back of it disappearing into the hills, dust hanging in the air like a goodbye. Kneeling in the dirt, Zolile clasped her hand in prayer. Please, Lord, protect him. Bring him back safely. Let your hand never leave him. She rises and follows behind Mastole, Tabile, and the younger siblings of Mazwake, who are returning from the bus stop, walking in silence. The mother speaks gentle, almost to herself. Let that boy not be stolen by the city girls. Let him come back home and marry one of us. And marry one of ours. Tabile lingers behind, waiting for Zolile to catch up. They walk side by side. How was he? She asks Tabile. He was fine. We spent the afternoon with him. We prayed together before he left. He was strong, calm. Tabile reaches into her dress pocket. He left this for you. Said I must give it to you after the bus left. Zolile's eyes widen. It's the same letter from her dream. Her hands shake as she takes it. Tabile, I love your brother. I just hope he loves me the same after 3 years. Tabile smiles, squeezing her hand. Then the two part ways. Zolile runs again, lifting her skirt with care, dodging cow dung as she moves. In her culture, a future Makoti must never step in it. She reaches the river and climbs to the hill towards her homestead. Quiet now, holding only the letter and the echo of a promise whispered in the dust.